You open your notes, and it's a mess. Half sentences, random bullets, things that only make sense to you. And now you have to turn that into a clean update. Why does this always take longer than it should? Throughout the day, you jot things down quickly, tasks, ideas, reminders. Nothing is structured because you're just trying to keep up. Then it's time to share an update. So you start rewriting, trying to make everything sound clear, organized, and professional. What should take a minute turns into 10. And the frustrating part? It still feels harder than it should. Here's what's actually happening. You're not writing an update. You're rebuilding it from raw notes. That's the hidden inefficiency. And that's why this feels slow, even when nothing new is being created. Now here's the shift. Stop fixing your notes. Start converting them into updates. This is where the Notes to Update system comes in. Instead of manually reworking everything, you follow a simple input instruction output flow. Step 1. Paste your raw notes. Step 2. Give a simple instruction. Ask AI to clean, organize, and structure them into a clear update with progress and next steps. Step 3. Get your output, a concise, professional update ready to share. Let me show you exactly how this works. You take something messy like login bug fixed, onboarding flow confusing, client call tomorrow, update metrics dashboard. And instantly it becomes resolved login bug, identified improvements needed in onboarding flow, scheduled a client call, and updated the metrics dashboard. Next, refine onboarding experience and prepare for the client discussion. Stop. No rewriting, no organizing, just output. What used to take 10 to 15 minutes now takes under 30 seconds. Same notes, clean updates, zero effort. So here's the takeaway. If you're still fixing your notes manually, you're repeating work. Your updates should come directly from what you've already written, automatically. If you ever wanted to work smarter, like subscribe and check the description for prompts and more.